Hi, welcome to this video from CS Tech AI. I'm Trupti Gandhi. I'm the technical support specialist, especially for civil infra industry.
Today we are going to understand Autodesk Forma. Now let me give you a brief about what is Forma first. Autodesk Forma is a cloud-based software for architects and designers that uses AI-powered tools for data-driven planning and early-stage design, like feasibility studies and schematic design. It helps users set up geological projects with real-world data and perform environmental analysis, optimize for sustainability, and of course, model complex 3D design. Forma can connect with other tools from Autodesk like Revit, then Rhino, and Dynamo. And of course, it is included in the AEC collection in the subscription. Let us see how now we can access the Forma. So I am in the Autodesk account, autodeskmanage.com, and here I have the option of Forma. I will click on this access over here and it takes me to a new page. This is the home page for Pharma. If you see over here, what we have is the hubs and projects. Like from sciences, what projects I'm having, from my collaborative projects, what I'm having, they are visible on the left hand side. On the right hand side, there is a learning material. I have coming soon options. Then I have Forma newsletter. In the center, what you see is the create new. So I can create a new site. I can go to the demo site that I have, and of course, I can go to the board collaborative whiteboard. If I want to create a new project, I have the option of project over here or site or board. Let me just quickly open one project over here. The moment I do this, I can see over here the details of the project, right? And I can see who all have worked on it. Like I can see Pallavi over here, I can see my name over here. So we are collaborating on this particular project. And now if I open this project, this is what I can see. I can see the complete site details over here. In the center of my screen, you can see the complete site is visible over here. I can click and move around this place. On the left side, I can see the proposals that are there with various layers like vegetation, terrain, then there are site limits, buildings if I want to identify any. And of course, roads are also there. You can see all the details on the left hand side. On the right hand side is the analysis bar, or rather analyze as we call it over here. We have area metrics, we have sun hour analysis, we have daylight potential analysis, then we have your wind analysis, we have temperature or microclimate analysis. All these analysis like noise analysis, then your solar energy analysis, all these are visible on the right hand side. Whatever analysis I select, for example, I select sun right analysis, the details are again updated over here and I can run it over here by giving the or rather changing the parameters over here. And if you see over here, these are the various tools available. For site automation, the tools are over here. Then you can see the terrain pad or the line building thing we have over here. We have the terrain pad especially for the terrain uh, creation. Then tree line is there, area with trees is there. Then site limit especially for zoning and everything. Then you have roads and railroads also here. Roads have been recently introduced over here. Apart from this, there is also for tools for generic volume calculation. You have your shapes, new 3D sketches. If I want to draw, I have measuring tools. I have label that can be added over here. I can add labels to mark specific points for future reference. And of course, I can import the model. This is the complete preview of the Forma tool over here. What I can see over here is the guides and measurements over here, which will help me again in the measuring of the details. Next, I have display options, what all I want to keep it on and off accordingly. If I want to take some pictures of a particular site, I have the camera icon over here, which can help me in doing so. It has different options also. And of course, the north mark, right? And with this, I also have a very good help over here. I can click on the help and get all my answers for a question, for whatever questions I have. So, as I said earlier, Forma is my what I can say tool or other cloud-based software, and this uses AI-powered tools. So this can help me in data driven planning and definitely early stage design like feasibility studies and schematic design. So that's all in today's video. We'll come back in the next session to understand more about the Forma analysis. Thanks for watching.